Hey Jay, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to go over a few things that you could start doing to help bring in more clients and customers to your business through the presence of digital marketing and more specifically search engine optimization. So as Nate discussed on the phone with you guys, this is basically a little SEO audit. SEO again stands for search engine optimization, and basically what that is getting you to the top of search engines so that you can get more customers who are searching for things organically. So with that being said, the first thing we look at is actually going to be content. So your website is okay aesthetically, but that really doesn't matter when it comes to SEO. So I use a tool called SEO Quick, we can see here, and you can get it for free. It's a free plugin. But what it shows me is that you only have 533 words on your homepage. Now, what we found to be the most successful through utilizing algorithm targeting and things like that is that you want to have about 1,500 words. So that 1,500 word marker really allows for two things. One, it pulls you up through Google because Google sees that you have more information. But two, and most importantly, what it does is it allows you to get more keywords on the website. Now, the way keywords work is they're basically anything searched in this Google search bar. So for example, San Francisco Limo is one keyword. Now, when someone types something into Google and clicks search, it's obviously looking for that thing. Now, when someone does that, the algorithms run all the pages that they can find, and they just search for whatever the targeted keyword is or anything similar to that. So having more keywords is obviously more beneficial. So when I typed this in, I found one of your top competitors in this San Francisco Limo SF car service, or these guys right here. So looking more in depth at them, what I wanted to do is see what keywords are being found for. So I used another tool called Ahrefs, which again you can get. It's about $250 a month, I believe. Now we can see they're being found for 568 keywords, but let's dig a little deeper and see what those keywords actually are that they are being indexed for. So we can see San Francisco limousine, San Francisco limo service, San Francisco. All of these are the specific keywords. But I want to draw your attention to two areas on this site, or this area. One, volume. We can see that this exact phrase is searched 500 times per month, and that was pulled 10 days ago. So 500, 1, 5, 2, 150, 150, 200, 250. You've got a couple thousand searches right here. Now the second thing I want to draw your attention to is the position. Now that's the position in Google that they're in for that specific keyword. So they're in the number 2 for San Francisco limousine, San Francisco limo service number 2, number 5, 2, so on and so forth. Now the reason I bring that up is because click rates released by Google show that 80% of people, they won't actually scroll past the first page of Google to find what they're looking for. So what that means is basically if you're on the second, third, or fourth page, you're probably not going to be found. Only if 80% of people don't scroll past the first page, that means 20% of people probably make it to the second page. After that, the numbers are abysmal. So you need to make sure you're on the front page. The reason being you want to get those clients. Now, how do you get to the front page? Well, that leads me to my last thing, and that's going to be your off-site SEO. Now, we can see here that this is your competitor still. They have 828 backlinks. Now, backlinks are any link from one website to another, and when that happens, there's a transfer of power, basically. Now, the reason this is important is because this is what Google holds as the highest importance on their ranking. So, if you have the most relevant sites pointing at you, Google will tend to bring you towards the top. It's basically a giant popularity contest, but like I said, they need to be relevant sites. You don't just want a bunch of spammy websites because you can get a lot for less price. They want to be good quality relevant sites. So let's look at you. Here's your website pulled into the Ahrefs, and I can see you have 155 backlinks with 28 referring domains, whereas your competitor has 828 with 110. So you can see the difference. And you can see how it really pays off. Your competitor is drawing in roughly 430 clicks a month, whereas you're only getting 78. So just think of the increase. Also, I can see that you guys are paying roughly $2,000 a month in getting keywords on Google. So you're paying for Google ads. Your clients are getting all of this traffic without paying for anything. So you can just see how it does pay to invest in this tax deduction of SEO and build your website's brand. So in closing, we discussed three things. We talked about content and having 1,500 words on the homepage. Secondly, we discussed keywords, and I just showed you how important it is to have those keywords so that you can be found by more people in Google. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about the offsite SEO and getting more of those backlinks, referring domains, and other techniques you can use to start growing in Google. Now, if you take these things that I showed you today and start implementing, there's no doubt in my mind you can grow in Google. But the key here is to get to the top of Google and to stay at the top of Google. Now, if you want that and you want to take the time to just focus on your business while someone handles your SEO, then go ahead and give us a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.